everyone, I am back with my biannual Zara sale haul. Zara is undoubtedly one of my favorite high street brands. I think you all would also agree that Zara is a brand that checks almost all the boxes. It gives you comfort, style, design, quality, price. I mean, the price has increased in the recent years, but that's okay. You're paying for the quality, and for me at least, the quality is really good because my Zara pieces last me about 5 to 7 years, which is really great. Now I have all the pieces right here with me that I bought from the sale, but before I begin, I do want to put out a disclaimer that this might seem a little excessive to you.
But as a style influencer, I do think that I need to have a lot of variety in my closet, and I usually buy stylish basics, so it's not like I am hoarding on one-time wear clothing. I usually restyle them and I wear them for years and years to come. Even if you go back and see my last Zara haul, you will notice that I'm still wearing a lot of those pieces that I purchased, almost all of them. And yeah, I haven't shopped in 6 months. I think my last shopping spree was in Bangkok in January, so I think this is completely justified.
I'll make any excuse to justify this. Anyway, so let's begin. So this is a faux leather jogger. I have the same joggers in tan color and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable and looks very flattering on my body type. So I picked the same exact style in black. The next piece I have here is also a pair of leather pants. Now this is something that I did pick up I think last year, but I had to unfortunately return it because it could not fit me and I couldn't find my size. So when I spotted this in sale, I picked it up immediately. So for me, leather pants which are absolutely fitted, I wear a size larger than my usual size because it does not have any stretch or give. The next item is something that you guys have already seen me wearing in my pantry reveal video. It's just a fabulous oversized shirt. It's really huge. And it looks very fashionable, very stylish, and it has a bralette in the same print, and you can wear it inside the shirt, you can wear it outside the shirt. It's just really versatile piece and I absolutely love it. I've actually picked up shirt with bralette, another print. So this is another piece that I picked up which is similar style. So this is a wrap shirt and this also comes with a bralette, and I think this print is super chic. Honestly, I love the versatility of these pieces because you can wear these pieces separately or together, and sometimes you can wear the bralette inside, sometimes outside, and you can just really style it up in so many ways. If you know me, you know that I love dresses. Dresses are super easy to style. If you're in a rush, you throw on a dress, just put on some accessories and you're good to go. It's like an outfit in itself, and that's why I found this dress and it was absolutely perfect for such occasions. I mean, the print is fabulous. I am so into animal print, it's not even funny. So this is a t-shirt, and how fabulous are these sleeves. Oh my god, this is jersey material, but this I think is, I don't know, some kind of polyester crepe, and it's so fabulous, so chic. I mean, I tried it on and it looked absolutely amazing. Now next piece is something that I honestly didn't imagine myself picking up, but it looked absolutely fabulous when I ordered it. It came home, I tried it on, it looked absolutely gorgeous, and plus I got a great deal on this one. This was originally for 4,000 and I got it for 990. I mean, so this is a leopard print dress in midi length. It's actually a very conservative dress. I mean, you can't really see a lot of skin when you wear this dress. I honestly did not see myself picking this up. I was contemplating a lot before ordering it, but I was like, you know what, let's order, let's try it on. If I don't like it, I can always return it, right? Zara is cool like that. So I ordered it, I wore it, and it actually looked really good. I mean, the flare of the dress is so beautiful. It's super chic and it has a very girly romantic feel to it, and that's why I decided to keep it. Next is this crop top. It honestly looks better on me than it does on the model right here. I don't know why, but it looks super nice on me. And the great thing is that you don't even need to wear a bra inside, so always a plus. Now this next piece that I picked up is actually pretty common. I have seen a lot of people wearing this crop top, and it's this one. I usually don't tend to shop for items which are very common and a lot of people are already wearing it, but this was something that was such a classic piece, and the shape of it, the quality, the material is really nice. It's very high quality. I hope you guys remember this top because I wore it and I styled it in 7 different ways recently. It is such a chic top. I love the sleeves. Now this next dress I might end up returning. I have not even tried it on, and I really don't think I should because look at this. This is not medium size. I wear a medium, it's not medium size. I mean, There's no stretch whatsoever. I am afraid to actually step into this dress because I might just rip it, so I'm not even gonna try it. I'm just gonna return it flat out. Now we have also seen the next piece. I hope you guys will remember. This is the jumpsuit that I picked up full price right before the sale began. I am such an idiot. This top, I'm sure you guys would remember. I styled this top for my first styling video that I did recently. Oh my god, I love this top. This is super chic, and I mean, if I had to pick one favorite thing from all of these items that I've picked up, I'd probably pick this. Or not. I don't know, but this would be in my top 5 for sure. Now this dress I might end up returning as well. It looks really good on me. I love it. I love the sleeves. I love the print, but it's really short. This is super short, and when I say super short, it's like I can't bend over wearing this dress. Now these pants are something that I really wanted, but it was sold out. So I saved this item and I checked it every night whether it was back in stock or not, and one day it did come back in stock and I ordered it immediately. I love the detail on the hem. It's very chic. I actually haven't even tried it on, but I'm sure it will fit right because this is my size, and I usually buy all my pants from Zara and they're all the same size. Now this is a top that I think is like a very casual yet chic, comfortable, very airy, and I don't know what the material is, but it's very soft, very airy, very linen-like, but I don't think it's linen. It seems synthetic. Anywho, this is a nice piece to have in your closet, you know, like a basic yet very chic basic, you know. It's not something that I absolutely love, but I do think you should have some pieces in your closet that you don't need to really think about how to style it. You know, just wear a pair of denims, wear a top, and you're good to go. I had been meaning to pick up another white shirt so bad, and this is such a beautiful shirt with such a cool detail on the shoulders. I'm always on the lookout for stylish white shirts which are a little different but still classic. I'm actually not too sure about this applique design on the sleeves. I don't know. I mean, I didn't notice it while ordering, but it might just look cool. I don't know. I just noticed this detail and I really loved it, so I ordered it, but I don't know about this. This is a very cute and romantic sweatshirt with ruffles at the bottom, and I think it would be a great piece to lounge in. So cute. I picked up 2 more knitwear pieces, both in black. So this is a very chunky sweatshirt with sort of like bat sleeves, I want to say, and the neck is beautiful. I love to be very cozy during winters. It's also sort of cropped. I mean, it's not very long, so I think it's gonna look great with white shirt paired inside it. Next piece is slightly thinner, so it might not be good for extreme winters, but for fall I think it would be perfect. This is also short in length, but it has these beautiful sleeves, which I think is gonna look super chic. I really wanna style it the way the model was wearing this. Next piece is this classic black dress. It's a deep V neckline, which I think looks very flattering on me. And full sleeves again. I love a little bit of ruching, I believe. It's cute, and there's some detailing at the back as well. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not so sure if I'll be keeping it, but I think I might keep it because, you know, you can never go wrong with a little black dress. This is a very statement dress. I love it. I love the print. I love the colors. Black and white is like my favorite color combination. It also comes with a little leather belt, which I think is really cool because I can take it out, wear it with some other dresses, or wear it with jeans. I don't know. It's cool. On to the last piece. This is a beautiful green colored midi dress, and I love the fabric. I love it. I picked up these very cute heels. I mean, I know the color is very loud. I love them. And they're surprisingly comfortable. I love Zara shoes. They're always comfortable. They always last me forever. I don't think I've ever thrown out a Zara pair of shoes. Never. That's it, guys. That was my Zara haul. I'm super happy with my purchase. I did get to grab a lot of different kind of items, some statement pieces, some classic pieces. It was just a very wholesome shopping experience, and I love shopping at Zara website. Just sitting at the comfort of your home, just scrolling through whatever you like, order, try. If you don't like it, return it. I opened the app to return one of the items that I had purchased, and I saw everything was on sale. I mean, I had just purchased clothes worth, I don't even want to talk about it.